Hello students, I welcome you all to the new class with interesting chapter of Nazism and the rise of Hitler. If we see this chapter begins with the story of Helmut, who was the son of Joseph Goebbels, who was the propaganda minister of Hitler. Now, Helmut wakes up and he listens to the conversation going on between his mom and dad. And he's very confused what they are talking about. And the next day, his father commits suicide. As a child, he finds it very difficult to understand why did his father die after spending a whole day out with him, playing, singing, and having good time together one day before. And then when he understood, for next 7 to 8 years, he did not eat food in his home because he feared that his mother may commit suicide and may force him also to die by providing him something poisonous to eat. Now, what was the reason? What is the story behind it? Now, let's get back to the two important events in the history of mankind of the modern times, that is World War One and World War Two. The story of Helmut and his father's suicide is related to World War Two. In World War Two, Germany was defeated by Allied powers. Who all were Allied powers? UK, USSR, France, and USA. They all together defeated Germany, and Germany had to surrender. And after the surrender, the world came to know what Hitler has done in Germany. How the different people, the Jews, the Gypsies, the people of Poland, the Polish, and the people who were considered unfit mentally and physically were killed by Hitler. So, therefore, an international military tribunal was set up at Nuremberg. Why Nuremberg? Because Nuremberg was the most important center of Hitler's policies and propaganda of Nazism. So that place was chosen as the place where International Military Tribunal was set up. And this setup of tribunal is also related to World War One. After World War One, the anger, the humiliation which Germans faced, that resulted in giving a chance to Hitler to rise up. They did not want to give another chance to German people. They did not want similar reaction from German people. Rather, these allied powers, especially USA, was interested in making the German people know the truth, what actually had happened in Germany in those years of 1930s till the end of World War II. So, International Military Tribunal was established at Nuremberg to have trial against Nazis for war crimes, war against humanity, war against peace. In spite of the fact that Hitler killed so many people of different areas, of different religions, and the people who were considered unfit in terms of race or physically or mentally handicapped people. The Nuremberg Tribunal did not give that harsh punishment as the Nazis were harsh to people. So only the 12 people were given the punishment of execution, and out of those 12, the Hermann, the chief Air Force officer of Hitler, he committed suicide in the jail. And 11 were executed very next day, and the rest were given life imprisonment. So whatever punishment was given by International Military Tribunal, that was very insignificant or very small in comparison to what Hitler had done to people in Germany.